Hey guys, back to Nikenicula, and today I'm gonna create this soft coral dewy look. So let's get started. First, I prep my face using Snail 96 Mucus Essence from COSRX. And then I prime my face with DEWY Smooth Base. The texture is very light, similar with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in light. For the foundation, I use Urban Decay Naked Skin in shade 2.0. Then blend with a damp beauty blender.
Sometimes it's hard to remember stuff, isn't it?
I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade light to cover all my blemishes and my under eyes. Also to give highlight to my facial features. And then I put Benefit High Beam on my cheek, chin, nose tip and brow bones. Then blend it again with your damp beauty blender. Set your face with setting or blotting powder all over your face except your cheekbones for dewy effect. And then shade your face. I'm using Tarte's Pro Glow to Go by Tarte. Use the color like so to contour your cheek in a circular motion for natural finish. Don't forget to give a touch for the parts you want them to be contoured, such as your jawlines and nose.
Sometimes it's hard to recognize.
Then for my cheek, I'm using Benefit Dandelion Blusher. Don't forget to smile, it will give you natural blush cheeks.
Calling you.
And then, I'm using DEWY Hanataka powder for areas I want them to be extra highlighted. For the first eyeshadow, I'm using Colourpop Fresh Shadow in Come and Get It and apply it all over my lids. Then, I use the color Jixi to apply on my inner corner and lower lash line. I'm using Lala at the 3/4 of my outer lids and my outer corner of my lower lids. Last part, I'm using Paradox to contour my crease and outer corner of my eyes. And then blend all over your crease to soften any hard edges. Last but not least, back with color Jixi to highlight your brow bone. For the eyeliner, I'm using Clio Twist Turn Eyeliner to make a fine line as close to my lash line. And for my lower eyes, I'm using this PH Show colored pencil to line my lower outer lash line. And then I curl all my lashes with my Ella Lash Hitter. Then I coat them with my Brow Lash Neo Mascara. This is the best mascara I've ever tried because it contains fiber to make your lash longer and also doesn't smudge even though you have oily lash. Move on to my brows. I fill them with the same PH Show pencil. And then I use Pulley brush to smoothen the color. I'm using Maybelline Brow Precise Mascara to finish my brows. This brow mascara also contains fiber to make your brows look fuller. Next is the falsies game. I'm using my Nicula false lashes and Rubotan eyelash glue. Wait until it gets tacky and stick to your falsies as closest to your real lashes. I'm using Dear Me liquid lipstick and apply it with brush to create natural look instead of bold lips. I'm using Kat Von D Lock It setting spray so my makeup can last all day. And you're done! Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!